Bring the next trough over here.
We need more grain on this side.
Keep them moving through station 3.
This one looks clear. Send him through.
Check the pressure on archway 4.
Yeah, get up there!
Move it, move it! Keep them coming!
Scan complete on pallet 7. Move it to the staging area.
Copy that. Moving now. This one is definitely a grade B. Look at the grain consistency here.
I agree, the pliability is just right for that batch.
Good, consistent texture. Yeah.
Agreed. The color variation is minimal on this batch.
Is consistent.
Okay, scanned and ready for stacking.
Right here. Is that the mark there?
Yes, 48.
Got it recorded?
Watch it on the left. Okay, pull it up now. Clear the pallet.
Check the date on that top roll. This one reads a discrepancy when scanned. I will verify the location code against the manifest.
The humidity levels are stabilizing at 45%.
Good.
Temperature is holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius.
When you see this kind of marbling, that's a defect.
Okay, so anything with this texture gets rejected immediately.
Exactly. Mark this one now. Watch it coming down. Set it right there. Clear the area. Is that aligned yet?
Almost. Hold it steady.
All right, lowering the press now. Watch the junction. Clear. Send it through.
We need to watch this section here. It's still a bit rough.
Yeah, mark that for rebuffing before it moves on. All right, bring it down. Hold the tension steady.
Consistency is uneven near the edge.
But this sample shows the color is right.
Let's give it another 30 minutes and check again.
Okay, the leather looks good. Let's start the cutting and assembly process immediately to meet the deadline.
This latch is slightly off center.
I see it. It needs adjustment before we send it to stitching.
All right, bring the next pallet up. Watch the clearance on the right side.
The texture on this buffalo leather is incredible.
Yeah. Look how well this one turned out.
We really outdid ourselves this time.
This fluctuation here is above the acceptable threshold. Yes, we need to investigate the cause immediately. Check the raw material batch from last Tuesday. Moisture levels are holding steady at 12%. Excellent. Mark it for immediate transfer.
This batch is coming out perfectly smooth. The rollers are set correctly. It's excellent quality buffalo leather. Much better than the last shipment. Keep the line moving, and we need 50 more panels.
This batch is ready for the stitching room.
Good. The efficiency metrics on the new trolleys are holding steady.
Yeah, much smoother finish now.
Heavy one, push. Okay, I got it. Bring it in. The spray pattern is even. That looks right. Yeah, we can proceed.
Look at this seam work. Excellent craftsmanship.
How's the highlight on the stitching now?
Looks good from this angle. Hide is exactly what we're looking for. The grain is tight and the color saturation is consistent across the board.